Hello, and welcome to PeatDataHub. In this quick tutorial, I'll be explaining how to share permissions to edit sites or wells to other users. Note that you must be the owner of the site and data at that given level to do this. I will use well data as an example for this tutorial, but it can be done at the site, well data, and eyes on the bog sites levels. So, go to the Peatland site screen of the well data you wish to share. Select the Wells tab. Then select the data you would like to share using the magnifying glass icon. Select the share icon. Then select add user well permission. Input the target user's email address or name via this little crayon. Click accept and decide whether the target user can edit or not. Click save, and the target user will then have full permissions to edit information on the well and upload their own data. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial, and we hope to see you on the database.